Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Boys and girls, welcome to stream, everybody. Hope you guys all doing good, having a fantastic Friday. Welcome. Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Boys and girls, welcome to stream, everybody. Hope you guys all doing good, having a fantastic Friday. Welcome. He was here earlier. We're gonna get this stream going right away, y'all. Let me click out of this real quick. Hold on. There we go. We got Bagel first in the stream. What up, Bagel? How you doing? Welcome in. Why did that pin that? Give me a second, y'all. Golly. Give me 1 second. Pinned the wrong freaking thing. I pinned Andrew's comment for some reason. I think that's Andrew's. Oh, someone's comment up there. I didn't even say it too. But we got Dana. What's going on, Dago? Bagel, hello. How you doing? I was about to send you a TikTok. What's the TikTok? What is it? Andrew, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome in. Hold on, y'all. Copy this real quick. Bada boom. Bada bing. No name, hello, welcome in. How you doing? Welcome back. Dana, you're at 40,250 total veg points for the 13K V-Buck giveaway. Super, what's up, man? How are you? MVP, what's going on?